Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started discussing print function in Python. We understood that print function is used to display data in the console, right? In the previous video, we understood how to display data in the console using the print function, right? We also understood the syntax of the print function. We know that print function has different parameters. In that we have understood two parameters, that is value and dot dot dot. Value and dot 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 indicate that you can pass single value to the print function or you can pass multiple values separated by comma, right? Dot 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 indicates you can pass multiple values separated by comma. In this video we understand the next two parameters, that is SCP and end. In this video we understand the next two parameters, SCP and end. Okay. SEP means separator, guys. SEP indicates a separator. It is used to specify the string to be inserted between values. It is used to specify string to be inserted between the values. By default it is set to space. That means when you are printing multiple values using the print function, by default you see space added. In the output you will see space added between the values. Let me show that. So here we have our Python code and here is our shell. Now I delete everything from here. If I say print, I am calling the print function, you see, and here I am going to pass values. So first I am giving here apple, APPLE apple, comma, second value banana, and third value I am giving here mango. Now in the output you will see apple, banana, mango displayed. In between you will see space added, guys. I am going to save this and say run module. You see that apple space banana space mango displayed. Who is adding this space? This space is added by the sep parameter. Sep parameter is by default set to space, guys. It is by default set to one single space. Okay. If you want, you can specify what string should be added or which string should be added in between these values. Let's say you don't want any space, so simply you remove the space from here. Okay, if I save it and run the module, you see this time there is no space added here. There is no space added, apple, banana, mango. There is no space in between the values, right? Because we have overwritten that. If you want, you can display, let's say I want to display comma. Okay, I want to display comma in between the values. So I save and run the module. So you see this time apple, comma, banana, comma, mango getting displayed, right? So like that you can overwrite this separator. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is the use of separator parameter. It is used to specify the string to be inserted between the values. Okay, let's understand the end parameter. End parameter is used to specify the string to be printed at the end of the output. It is used to specify string to be printed at the end of the output. The default value is set to \n. That is a new line character, guys. What is the \n? \n is a special character. Okay, it is used to move the cursor to the next line, guys. It is used to move the cursor to the next line. It works like an enter key. Okay, let me explain it more clearly with a demo. Here is our shell and here is our Python code. Now let's say again I am calling the print function, and this time here I am going to pass the value hello world 1, and I am going to copy this and paste down. Here I say hello world 2 and I copy this and paste down. Here I say hello world 3. What happens now? Remember here by default end is set to \n. \n indicates move the cursor to the next line. So what is the output you get? How the output will be displayed here? Let me explain. The first print function displays the hello world 1, HELLO, hello world 1, and as there is a \n means it is going to move the cursor to the next line. It moves the cursor to the next line. Okay, next print displays hello world 2, hello world 2, and moves the cursor to the next line, because here also we have end set to \n by default. So cursor is moved next line. The third print function displays hello world 3 and moves the cursor to the next line, guys. So you will see hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 displayed one below another. Okay, let's see that. I am going to save this and say run the module. You see hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 are displayed one below another. Print functions are displaying this hello world text one below another because of the end set to /n by default. See, I say here end, here I say /n, I am adding, I say comma, end equal to /n, here I say comma, end equal to /n. Now also you get the same output, guys. Okay, if I save this and run the module, you see you are getting the same output. Hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 getting displayed one below another. So what is happening here? The same thing. The first print function is displaying hello world 1. After that you are telling /n. End is /n. That means move the cursor to the next line. Second print function displays hello world 2. As end is set to /n, it moves the cursor to the next line. Then third print function displays hello world 3. And /n is there, so it moves the cursor to the next line. So that is the reason you are getting these outputs one below another. If you want, you can definitely overwrite. Okay, let's say I want 2 times /n. Okay, here 2 times /n. So what is the meaning of this? 2 times the print function is going to move the cursor to the next line, guys. See what happens, how the output will be, let me explain. First print function displays hello world 1. As 2 times /n, it is going to move the cursor to the next line once, and once again it moves the cursor to the next line. So 2 times we have /n. After that print function, the second print function displays hello world 2, and the third print function is going to display hello world 3, and it moves the cursor to the next line. So this is how you get the output. You see one empty line here. Let's see, I save it and run the module. You see this time hello world 1 is displayed. It moves the cursor to the next line because of one /n. There is one more /n, it moves the cursor to the next line here. And the second print function displays hello world 2, and it moves the cursor to the next line because of /n. And this print function displays hello world 3, and it moves the cursor to the next line, guys. So that is how the end works. If you want to display hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 in the same line, then what you have to do? Simply you have to set the end. Let's say I want nothing. Okay, end is empty. End is empty. I am setting end is empty here. So what happens this time? As you have set empty, or let's say you want space. Okay, let's say space. Now you will see hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 displayed. In between them you will see space added. Okay, if I save this and run the module, you see hello world 1 space hello world 2 space hello world 3 displayed. So there is no /n. That is the reason they are getting displayed one beside another. So if I add /n here, so after hello world 1, whatever is there, it is moved to the next line. I save and run the module. You see hello world 1, and after that hello world 2 and hello world 3 are displayed on the next line. Again I will use the /n here. I save and run the module. You see now all are displayed one below another. Let me add here also /n so that next print displays the content on the next line. If you have this or you remove this, you get the same output, right? So I delete the end /n, I remove end /n, I remove end /n. This is also going to produce the same output. I save and run the module. You see we are getting the same output here. I hope you guys have clearly understood what is this end parameter indicates and what is the /n indicates. I suggest you people to try these two parameters, okay, as I explained. If you still have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section, guys. I'll be happy to clear. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Python in detail and step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.